Important events of the Sean Combs sex trafficking trial's first day. One of the most powerful music moguls in America, Sean Combs, was charged by federal authorities on Monday with running a criminal organization that both permitted and attempted to conceal his mistreatment of women. Prosecutors portrayed him as a serial sexual predator who planned drug-fueled sex marathons with prostitutes as his trial began in federal district court in Lower Manhattan. Although Mr. Combs's attorneys admitted that he was accountable for domestic abuse, they denied that he had engaged in sex trafficking or operated a racketeering operation. Emily A. Johnson, the prosecutor who made the government's opening statement, described Mr. Combs in graphic detail as a man who called himself the king and ordered the performance of sex acts. According to Ms. Johnson, he was Puff Daddy or Diddy to the public. A businessman and cultural icon, bigger than life. However, he had a different side that operated a criminal business. A man who claimed to have been paid up to $6,000 to have protracted intercourse with Mr. Combs's girlfriend Cassandra Ventura while the music mogul looked on was one of the government's first witnesses. Additionally, he claimed to have heard what he thought was Mr. Combs hitting Ms. Ventura in a nearby room. One of hip-hop's most prosperous producers and businessmen, Mr. Combs, 55, is accused of sex trafficking, transportation for prostitution, and racketeering conspiracy, a federal offense most famous for its application in the prosecution of organized crime syndicates. He might be imprisoned for the rest of his life if found guilty. In response to the accusations, Mr. Combs entered a not guilty plea. In her opening remarks, Tenny Garagos, a lawyer for Mr. Combs, stated, "The evidence is going to show you a very flawed individual. However, it won't reveal a sex trafficker, racketeer, or someone transporting for prostitution." His hordes of admirers, as well as the stars and celebrities who formerly hung out with him, went to his lavish parties, or listened to the popular music he co-produced, are keeping a careful eye on Mr. Combs' trial. The allegations against Mr. Combs introduced the term freak-offs, which Mr. Combs used to characterize the drug-fueled, days-long sex bacchanals he arranged, into the common language. The government's claim that Mr. Combs, behaving like royalty, sent a team of workers to assist him in his behavior and fix whatever issues it generated is at the heart of the case.